Hey guys, today we will be doing a toy review. Everything is from Pottery Barn, but the dollhouse is old. I've had it for a long time. And the furniture is old in the dollhouse. So first off, we will be doing the chairs. So this is from Pottery Barn. It's called Plum Heart. It's dark purple, and then it has white little hearts. So that's the chair. It's a rolling chair. And then I have like this simple basket to put all the people in when I'm done playing. It's gray and it's really pretty. Okay, so we are going to start off at this. So, well, it has like little beads on it. It's sparkly, and then her little dress is really cute. Sparkles. And you can put like a little ticket in there or something. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.